Have you ever made a mistake so big that you thought there was no way back? Maybe you broke someone's trust, missed a huge opportunity, or made a decision you regret deeply. In moments like that, we often feel like it's over, like there's no second chance. But the truth is, God is a God of second chances, and the Bible gives us a powerful story that proves this. It's the story of Jonah. Jonah wasn't just an ordinary man. He was a prophet, someone God called to deliver important messages. One day, God gave Jonah a very clear instruction. Go to the great city of Nineveh and preach against it, because their wickedness has come up before me, Jonah 1-2. But instead of obeying, Jonah decided to run. He didn't like the people of Nineveh and didn't want them to be saved. So he boarded a ship going in the opposite direction, thinking he could escape God's plan. Just imagine a man running away from the creator of the universe. It sounds foolish, but don't we do the same sometimes? We ignore what God tells us because it's uncomfortable, difficult, or not what we want. Jonah's story is about what happens when we run, and more importantly, how God still gives us another chance. As Jonah sailed away, God sent a violent storm. The waves crashed, the wind howled, and the ship was about to break apart. The sailors panicked and cried out to their gods, but nothing worked. Finally, Jonah admitted that the storm was because of him, because he was running from the true God. He told them, "Throw me into the sea, and it will become calm." Jonah 1:12. At first they hesitated, but eventually they did, and immediately the storm stopped. But Jonah didn't die. Instead, God showed his power and mercy in a surprising way. He sent a giant fish to swallow Jonah. For 3 days and nights, Jonah was trapped in the belly of that fish. Can you imagine the darkness, the fear, the regret? Inside that fish, Jonah prayed desperately, asking God for forgiveness. And God listened. After 3 days, the fish spit Jonah out onto dry land. Then something remarkable happened. God didn't say, "Jonah, you failed me once, so I'm done with you." No, he gave Jonah the same command again. Go to Nineveh. This time, Jonah obeyed. He went to Nineveh and warned the people to repent. And to his surprise, they listened. The entire city turned from their wicked ways, and God showed mercy instead of destruction. Jonah's story reminds us of one powerful truth. God is a God of second chances. Jonah ran away, but God didn't give up on him. The people of Nineveh were living in sin, but God didn't give up on them either. He gave Jonah another chance to obey, and he gave Nineveh another chance to change. And the same God is still offering us second chances today. Maybe you feel like you've gone too far, made too many mistakes, or wasted too much time. But God's love is patient, and His mercy is greater than our failures. He specializes in fresh starts. So if you're running from God, or if you've stumbled in your journey, remember Jonah. God is not done with you. He can rewrite your story if you let Him. The question is, will you take the second chance He's offering you today? Jonah 1-3.